Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Anar Kabir. Currently, I am pursuing my MSc Engineering degree at the Department of Information and Communication Technology in Maulana Bhashani Science and Technology University. Now, I am discuss about inheritance in C++. So, what is inheritance and what is the classification of inheritance and advantages of inheritance are discussed in this presentation. So, what is inheritance? We know object-oriented programming has some key features, just like as inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. Inheritance is one of them. It allows us to create a new class from an existing class. The new class is also called as derived class, and existing class is also called as base class. So, derived class is also called as subclass or parent-child class, and base class is also called as parent class or superclass. For example, I can access all the key features, all the property of my father. So my father is a base class and I am a derived class. So base class can access all the properties of derived class. Now I am trying to give an example of inheritance. We know mammal have some key features or some certain characteristics. Besides, dog is a mammal, but it has all features of mammals. In addition, it has own unique features, just like as its sound is different. And cat is also a mammal. It has all features of mammals in addition to its own unique characteristics, just like as the sound of cat is different. So dog and cat, all the access, all the key characteristics of mammal, but this has some own unique features. Now I am trying to give an example of access control and inheritance. Here we can see that child class can be inherited the public and protected method and features of base class, but the child class cannot inherit the private method and features of base class. This is the main concept of access control. Well, what is the classification of inheritance? There are 5 different types of inheritance, just like a single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. Now I am discussing about single inheritance. Single inheritance is the one where you have a single base class and single derived class. The derived class can access all the properties of the base class. Here, for example, course is a derived class and student is a base class. Course can access all the properties of student class. Here is the example. The course class can access all the protected and public features, can access all the protected and public features. So now I am discuss about the multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is subclass inherits from a class that itself inherit from another class. That means this is the derived class and this is the base class of this class and this is the base class of this class. Here, for example, office is a derived class, but sofa is the base class of office class and furniture is the base class of sofa class. This is the concept of multi-level inheritance. Here is an example. Here, office can access all the public and protected key features of sofa class, and sofa class can access all the public and protected features of furniture class. This is the main concept of multi-level inheritance. Now I am discuss about multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, a derived class inherits from multiple class. It has properties of both of the base class. That means here is one derived class and two base class. That means here company is the derived class and chairperson and director is the base class. So company class can access all the public and protected characteristics or features or method of chairperson and director. Here is the example of the multiple inheritance, and that means here two or three or four base class and one derived class. One derived class can access all the key features of the all the base class. This is the main concept of multiple inheritance. Now I am discuss about the hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, it's like an inverted tree. So multiple classes inherits from a single base class. That means here one base class and many subclass or derived class. All the subclass can access all the features of class A, which is protected and public. For example, soft toys and electronic toys can access all the key features of toys. Here is the main concept of the hierarchical inheritance. Now I am discuss about hybrid inheritance. It combines two or more types of inheritance. In this type of inheritance, we can have a mixer of number of inheritance. Here we can see that class A is the base class and class B and class C is the child class or derived class of class A, where class B and class C is the base class of class D. Here class D is the derived class. So class A, B and C makes a inheritance with hierarchical inheritance, and class B and class C and class D makes a inheritance of multiple inheritance. So this is the hybrid inheritance. Now I am discuss about the advantages of inheritance. By using inheritance, the reusability of code is supported in the C++ or object-oriented programming. It saves time and effort. It is the faster development and easier maintenance and easy to extend. The inheritance capable of expressing real-world problems. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. If you have any question, then you can write down the question in the comment section. Thank you.